So I found another fantastic site. I know I say that over and over constantly, but it seems like there's never ending wonderful natural phenomena in this part of the country. I am at Hot Creek geological site here, just outside of Bishop, California. And this is, well, this entire area that I'm standing in is a caldera, and it was last active, or it last erupted about 700,000 years ago. This is according to the literature I have read. So there's a fault mechanism where there's a faulting of the earth, not subsidence, I was about to say that, but just a calderic fault. So what that does to the earth is it causes cracks deep down in the earth. So snowmelt and precipitation from distant mountains works its way down into those cracks about 5 miles deep, where there is a magma chamber below where I'm standing right now. That magma chamber heats the water, which then expands and comes to the surface of the earth. And we're not allowed to go any closer because the water is scalding, but I can see in the distance several sections where steam is rising. Now I did find a steam vent right over here, and I brought my temperature gun down just to measure the temperature, and I was able to get a reading of 150.2 degrees was the highest reading that I received on my temperature gun. I had to hold my breath because the sulfur is very strong, the sulfur smell, and I don't want to asphyxiate myself. So I was holding my breath like this, taking the temperature. Anyway, here I am, Hot Creek geologic site in California. Woohoo!